All right. This right here is where you're at right now. This right here is your goal. This is where you want to end up. Along our journey, a lot of us make a really, really big mistake. We'll see where we are and compare it to where we want to go, and we'll get stressed out, upset with ourselves, and we'll down ourselves in this moment for this not looking how this is going to look. That's a habit to stop. Because if you ever want to progress, the first thing you're going to have to do is accept where you're at. Because if you don't accept where you're at, you can't utilize all the things that God has blessed you with in this moment. Even though this may not look like this, there are still a bunch of little clues, a bunch of little tools laying around in this moment that you can use to propel you forward. Now check this out. As you progress towards this journey, there's one thing you're going to have to make sure you do so that you stay charged up with energy and you can keep moving forward in a way. You see, a lot of this, we think that in our heads, we think that we're trying to get from point A to point B. And that's not the case. What we're really trying to do when we're trying to get that big goal accomplished is we're trying to get from point A to point Z. So realize along your journey, there's going to be a bunch of little stops, a bunch of little necessary stops that you have to have in order for you to grow and in order for you to learn. There's a bunch of necessary little stops. Recently my car broke down, right? And I started taking the bus. And I noticed how riding the bus is a lot like riding this life thing out. So I start off at point A, and I'm trying to get to the cafe so I can sit down and edit some videos. Well, along the way, there's a bunch of little stops that are necessary in order to get me to where I want to go. And so in life, realize you're gonna have those stops. Don't resist them. Don't resist them because they're going to happen. And if you find yourself being in the moment and being present as you encounter all these stops, you'll move a lot faster and you'll be able to absorb and observe what you need to observe and absorb from these moments. And next thing you know, you will make the kind of progress you need to make to get you to where you're trying to go. So don't be too hard on yourself. Life is a journey. It's a process, and it's about progress. Every day, give your best. If you're always doing your best, you have nothing to worry about. You'll fly through each stage, and next thing you know, you'll see your dream life manifesting. Love y'all.